What is up, gamers? Ready for some more Pokemon card packs? I got a Battle Styles Single Strike Urshifu pack and a Chilling Reign Galarian Articuno pack. I'd say I'd like to start with the Urshifu pack, as I like Galarian Articuno a little more. Let's see here. Nice, got that nice TCG pack. SWSH5 packs. I might as well open this up at the same time as well. Oh god, the glue on this is awesome. Oh, this one has actually a nice design for Calyrex and whatever. I don't know, Glastrier. Yeah, Glastrier, I think so. It's a really nice design. But Single Strike Urshifu first. God damn, these packs are so hard to open. Gotta grab the... My skizzers are gone. Oh no. Gotta open them by hand. If I can actually do it. God fucking damn it. It's so freaking hard, and I'm trying not to bend the cards either. Yeah, my scissors aren't there. Oh, here we go. You can see it's starting to like release at the top here. God damn. Ah, finally got it. Wow, they use strong glue. Oh shoot. All right. Green code card. Here's the code for y'all, if you can read that. Set that to the side, and then 1, 2, 3 to the front. Wait, nope. 4 to the front. Fighting. Alright. Fighting energy. Start us off real good. Phoebe. I know that's a Alolan. He's a Alolan trainer. Heatmore. Okay. Fearow. Bronzor, Cacnea, Spoink. Really nice design, but if it stays still for too long, it might die. Roly-Coly, Frillish, Honchkrow, and Aegislash. Nothing too good in that pack. Alright, let's hope for something better in this Chilling Reign pack. Oh, there we go. It opened up way nicer. Alright. Green code card. Not the greatest, but we take those L's with respect. There's a code card. There's a code for y'all. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front, starting with the Fire Energy. Fire Energy. Whirlipede. Sabled Rapid Strike. Don't know who that is. Larion. Galarian Slowpoke. Coughing. Yamask. Snorunt. Bonsweet. Bonsweet. Reverse, and Zangoose. Well, we didn't have as great as pull as last time, but hey, we deal with those. We may not have gotten what we were looking for, but we just have to deal with them. Well, that was quite a surprisingly short video. Here, want to clean up the garbage? For you. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's for me. I'll clean that up. I'll clean that up. That's my garbage. It's not yours. I'll clean it up myself. Yeah. Have a good day.